30 high power engines, maximum power 48千瓦，2200 PRM。New electronically controlled main pump, dynamic matching of engine and hydraulic pump power, efficient. Fully hydraulic drive, working performance is stronger. Equipped with heavy-duty drive axle, optional wheel reduction configuration, four-wheel hydraulic disc braking system, safe and stable. Full cast iron integrated rear counterweight. Multi-opening design of cover, maintenance is easier. Colorful LCD display instrument. Front and rear dual cameras, protect driving safety. Independent monitoring video display. A more powerful country for a new generation of fully hydraulic tire excavator.